All right. In this video, I'm going to go over, I guess I would say money or cents, specifically when cents are given in tenths. For some reason, in the real world, you will never see this. But for some reason, it seems like this is common in fourth grade word problems that I've seen, which makes no sense. Uh, Pun not intended. Anyway, but let's just go over it quickly. It's very simple. But Jenny has 4/10 of a dollar. Mike has 38 hundredths. Basically, but this would be 38 cents, right? Because there are 100 cents in a dollar, and money is always given like this. Okay? But this actually not only goes for money, but just comparing decimals in general. The easiest way to compare decimals is to, line them up, or not even line them up. I guess you could. And since this is 38 hundredths, what we want to do is just add as many zeros, since there aren't the same amount of numbers after the decimal place. We just want to add as many zeros as there are in the decimal, with however many with the most digits after the decimal. So in this case, we would just add a zero here to make sure we have all of them. So which one's more, 40 cents or 38 cents? Clearly, it's 40 cents, right? So Jenny has, it's 4/10, but it is actually 40 cents. So clearly, Jenny has 40 cents. Now, if we were to add or subtract, the best way to add or subtract is to do this same thing, and let's just subtract. The key with subtracting decimals is just lining up the decimal. And then you literally, adding or subtracting, you literally bring the decimal down exactly where it is, and then you subtract like normal, right? So 0, you can't subtract 8. So 3, 10 minus 8 is 2. This is 2. So Jenny would have 2 cents more than Mike. Okay? So really, this goes for not only money, but just comparing fractions or adding and subtracting fractions in general. It's all the same sort of principle. So if I wanted to compare, let's just say 0.9 or 9/10, and then I wanted to compare it to 853 thousandths, all I would do is I would add 2 zeros, because there are 3 digits after the decimal place here. So I would add 2 zeros to make it have the same amount of decimals, right? To put both of them in thousands. And now which one is more, 900 thousandths or 853 thousandths? 900 is more than 853, so 900 thousandths is more than 853 thousandths. And if we were to add 9/10 plus, remember, we're just lining up the zeros, bring the decimal down. If we were to add, then you just add the zeros here, and 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 0 is 5, 9 plus 8 is 17. I carry the 1. That would be 1 and 753 thousandths. So the proper way to talk about, to say decimals in a number is 1 and the and counts as the decimal. So this would be 1 and 753 thousandths. Or colloquially, or just speaking normally, a lot of people would say 1.753. So I hope that kind of cleared things up about money, about comparing fractions, and adding or, I'm sorry, comparing decimals or adding or subtracting decimals.